Hiya, so we're just going to go through the twisted German cast on that I'm going to use for our little sock workshop. So it's a long tail cast on, so we're going to need to leave the tail long enough to kind of cast on the number of stitches which we want, which is about 44 in this case. I'm just going to wing it and guess that that's about right. If you want to be a bit more accurate, you can wrap your yarn around, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know we need that for 10, 20, 40, and a bit, and then just a little bit more for luck. So we should have enough there to cast on 44 stitches. So the easiest way to kind of hold this is, if I show you without the needle to begin with, is to bring your 2 yarns down like so, thumb and forefinger just to separate those, and just use your hand to hold on to the base. Now you don't need to make a slip knot, you can if you like, but you don't need to. You can just slip the needle, looking through the camera, on under there, just like that, and then just bring this yarn down into a bit more position like a slingshot. I'll just do that again. So you've got it over the top here, just bring it down. Okay, so I'll just keep casting on stitches nice and slowly, because it's probably just going to become apparent as I do it. It looks complicated, but you really do get into the swing of it. So it's over the top of both these on the thumb and under, back through the middle and over the top of that one, and then here we just untwist this and pop the needle through, and then we can just let go and pull that yarn out again. Just going to reposition it because it felt a bit loose. So over the top and under both, back through, over the top there, and twist, through the middle, let go, tighten it up. Okay, I'm just going to keep going. And then one more really slowly. Okay, I'm just going to keep going with that until I've got the right number of stitches. This should make a really stretchy cast on for the top of our socks. So I'm going to cast on 44, and then I'll come back and meet you in a second, and we'll look at joining in the round.